This is Vizio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave server on Discord. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! There, in the Discord server, you can join to discuss topic you're interested in with like-minded user. But occasionally, you may decide the Discord server is not right for you. Maybe the topic of the server isn't relevant anymore, you're not getting along with other member, or just feel the server isn't good for you. In these cases, you'll want to know how to leave a Discord server. How to do it, and it's so simple. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, you can just open your Discord and you can just go to the server that you want to leave. Tap on the server name in here. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option leave server. You can just tap on that. Now, are you sure you want to leave the server? You can just tap on yes. So now you have left that server on your Discord. So simple, right? So that is how to leave server on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.